In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate affiliate links inside your ShareASale account. To do that, go to your dashboard and click on Links and click on Get a Link/banner. All the brands you have already been approved will show up here. So for this example, we're creating a link for Ultra Web Hosting. So click on Links. And now all the text links that the brands have created for you will be right here. You can simply click on HTML code and copy that and paste it onto your website. But for this example, I want to show you how to create a custom link. So to do that, click on Create Custom Link. And now it's going to allow you to paste in a specific landing page, which you can generate a link for. What's great about this is you can paste in a specific landing page which you can generate a link for. Whether you have a top of the funnel content, middle of the funnel, or bottom of the funnel, you can send traffic relevant to the content. So for this example, we're going to go over to the website. If you are selling hosting, you're talking about how to set up a website, I might just copy this URL and hop back over to ShareASale and pasting a link right here and click on Create Custom Link. And here you can also add in a tracking value so you can track exactly where the sale is coming from. So for this example, I'm going to just type in test and hit update the link. Now the link is created. You can simply click on this link and copy it and paste it in wherever it belongs. Now, another way to create affiliate links without having to come back in and out of ShareASale's dashboard is to stay on the vendor's website and simply add a tool on the bookmarks toolbar. Simply just click it once and it's going to generate the link directly. So to do that, you will go back to ShareASale, go to Tools, and notice you have this thing called download the bookmarklet. You will click on that, and then you will click on this button, the product discovery tool, and drag it into your bookmarks toolbar on your browser. Now, when you go back to the vendor's website, for example, if you want to create a link directly for this page, instead of going over to ShareASale's dashboard, you can simply just go on here, click this button once, and now it's going to allow you to generate the link right here. On top, you can add in a tracking code. On the bottom, you can copy a HTML code. So for this example, we're going to just create the link and then copy it and then take it to wherever it belongs. In the next one, I'm going to show you how to cloak this link to make it more brandable so you can use it in your social media content to increase the click-through rate and to make more money.